Good afternoon, everyone. And again, we are on the InfoComm India 2025 show floor showing sound control technologies products. We're in the Cisco environment. Right now, here we have set it up a Cisco AI-based cinematic experience, which is cross-view using two Cisco PTZ cameras, one quad camera, which is all connected to the rack with the codec EQ on three simple CAT cables. And this is all happening because of SAT transmitter receivers, which are driving the cameras with power control video at all the three ends and connected to the receivers on one CAT. And then we have this RTK AM1, which is on the table, which connects three Cisco microphones, one navigator, three HDMIs, one USB-C, say like around 7-8 cables, converted into one CAT cable from the table to the rack. Everything happens on 4 CAT cables, and then the last cable from the codec EQ goes to the display, which gives you the video output. So just conclude that the entire Cisco cinematic experience is used or done or installed in the most effective manner using SCT products. Thank you.